Okay, what you're seeing up in here is the brake system, and I'm going to tighten it up really quickly so the brakes are really close to the rim, and then we can do like a truing thing, of which I just spent the last 20 minutes looking for the tool after I took it off because it fell in the grass, and that was a tricky thing. So hang on a second, and maybe you can still see. I don't know what that camera sees right now, but you loosen it up. Right. Ow, shit. Tighten it down. Watch for loose wires like that one right there that have frayed. That probably gonna bleed. Tighten it back up. Now the brake pads are like super close, but see, you can still move. We're gonna get a lot of flat spots, and in those flat spots, that's where you have to do the truing, which really isn't that hard. Okay. Now, oh man, I let too much out. Here, hang on a second. Okay, that's good. Very nice. Okay. So, I give up. Now it's too loose again. So I'm just going to true the wheel. And basically what you do is when you spin it, one side, like right there. See, that's rubbing. It doesn't spin freely, it just kind of stops. So this is a size 1. I already know that because I did the other one. So you put that, what do we got here? So right here. Now these go straight to the center, so I'm not really sure if I'm supposed to loosen or tighten. So let's give it a spin there, and then give this one a spin in the opposite direction, of which I already forgot what direction I put the other one. So there's that. Oh hey, that actually worked. Isn't that fantastic? Alright, sweet. So anyway, that's wheel truing 101. Yeah, thanks for watching that. That was kind of fun. Anyway, aloha.